Alright, so as you guys can tell by the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my beauty space tour. So I'm going to show you guys my makeup, my setup, my filming studio, and all that. So yeah, if you'd like to go ahead and see what goes on in my world, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so when you first walk into my room, this is it. Over here you have my studio. Over here you have my Alex drawer from IKEA and my amazing, wonderful mountain view. And then this is my favorite part. Here is my vanity. So I get a lot of questions where my vanity is from. My desk right here, I don't believe is the Alex desk, but I got it from IKEA. I'm not really sure the name of it, but I really like it. My vanity though, I didn't get it anywhere. My dad created it for me. I just asked him to make me a vanity, so this is what he made me. He just watched a YouTube video, basically just did some wiring and put it on like a mirror. It's so beautiful. Definitely my favorite part. So this is my chair that I got on Amazon. I don't recommend getting it, but I mean, like, it's really cute when you look at it this way, but as you can tell, it's like really yellow just because, like, I mean, I'm got makeup all over my hands all the time. It's really hard to clean, so I don't really recommend it. So we're just gonna go over here and start out with this area first, and then of course here I am right here, dressed in my bum clothes because, you know, why not? So the first thing over here, this right here I got on Amazon, this little acrylic container. I'm pretty sure it was only like probably less than $20 because I'm really cheap and I don't buy anything expensive. So this is where I put my foundations right here. We got LA Girl, we got e.l.f. This one right here, you guys already know, this is my favorite. This is $1 from the Dollar Tree foundation. I love it so much. I love it when I'm doing, like, you know, I want to be like good on my makeup looks, but also more for my natural days. It's so bomb. And then we have lip liners back here. We have some liquid, you know, products like liquid highlighters, lipsticks, and then down here I have some more foundations. This is the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, not concealer, this is Tarte Shape Tape foundation. It sucks. I hate it. It sucks so bad, but I mix it into my foundations to get my money's worth because I'm really cheap. This BH liquid foundation though is actually pretty bomb. I've been wearing it every day. And if you hear any weird noises, that is my dog here. Come here. Come here. You wanna show everyone what you're doing in my closet? Say hello to the camera. That is her though, if you hear any weird noises. I say it in all my videos. So right here we have my brushes. I have a bunch of different brushes. I'm not gonna sit here and name them all off, but most of them from Morphe, especially my eye brushes. And then over here, this right here, I'm pretty sure I got on Amazon. Actually, no, I think I got it at TJ Maxx along with this one. TJ Maxx or Ross or Amazon, who knows, honestly. I've had it for years. Right here, I put my primers. You guys know I'm not really big into primers, but I put them on display so I can see them. Over here I have my setting sprays. So there's my favorite one, Morphe, my NYX Matte, etc. This acrylic container right here at the bottom, I got this for Christmas. My mom got it for me, so I'm not really sure where it came from. But we're just gonna open up the first drawer. So as you guys can tell, the first drawer just kind of has a bunch of different products in it. We have, you know, my Pop Beauty highlighters. This one's my favorite. I love this one so much, but it's obviously very broken. And then this one's another one that's my favorite as well. I love them. They're so good. And then of course we have some brow products in here. My Sigma, my Brow Gal, you know, my Makeup Revolution, etc. This is where I put a lot of products that I use. And then I also put products I don't use that I need to use. And, you know, I try to keep it in my face, but it doesn't really work, so we're done with this drawer. So when you open up this drawer right here, of course we have tons of lipsticks, and I'm just warning you guys, I have a lot of lipstick. So these are just lipsticks that I use. And actually, as a matter of fact, I didn't even finish showing you guys over here. So I'll show you guys over here. So these are a bunch of lipsticks that I use pretty much on a daily, or I just keep here for daily makeup looks or whatever. And then I have all my mascaras right here. I'm pretty sure these are all the mascaras that I own. Some are my favorites, some I don't like, and I just keep them in here. So then over here we have these right here. These are a bunch of just random brushes, some that I got on Wish, like these yellow ones right here. I got them on Wish, but they work so good and I love them. This right here, this little marble like tray kind of thing, I got this from my mom from her FabFitFun box. So I really like it to put my sponges on because, as you guys know, I have 3 dogs and dog hair gets everywhere. So if I keep it on my counter like this, dog hair is always getting on it. And then we have my OG Britney Spears. I've been through like 10 bottles of this. My little charger, and then we have this lipstick holder thing I got on Amazon. I'm 100% sure, and it's really cheap. I just put lipsticks in here for, you know, looks, basically. All right, so now we're gonna go back over here. In this drawer right here, I have my ColourPop lippy sticks. I absolutely love these. I really like the satin ones. The matte ones aren't my favorite because I have really dry lips, but the satin ones are so stunning. This drawer doesn't really have anything in here. I obviously need to fill it up. And then we have this drawer right here, which has a bunch of like, we have like cream eyeshadows, cream products, you know, just like little loose pigments, just, you know, whatever. These are ColourPop eyeliners right here. They honestly suck, but I keep them because, you know, why not? And then this drawer right here is a bunch more lipsticks. So I have a lot of Kylie Cosmetics in here. I used to love Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipsticks, but honestly her formula changed and I don't really like it anymore. And I have tons of ColourPop. ColourPop is just so amazing, so inexpensive, and I use them all the time. All right, so we're gonna open up this first drawer over here. So as you guys can tell, this has a bunch of eyeshadow palettes in here. So if you just kind of look, I basically just put what I use the most in here, or that something's new and I need to use it. You know, we have Life's a Drag right here because this is my baby. Anything Morphe, like all Morphe palettes, I absolutely love and obsess with. This Jaclyn Hill Beauty, this, I think I need to repurchase it, honestly, so it never goes out of my collection because I love it so much. And then we have the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, you know, just some new things. I just, you know, basically just a bunch of palettes. All right, so then we're gonna go over here to this drawer right here, and as you guys can see, it's really cluttered, but this little organizer thing, I actually got it at IKEA. I was at IKEA and this was actually in the kitchen area. This is for like your kitchen utensils and forks and stuff. But I was like, you know what? This would work really, really good in my makeup drawer. So it helps organize. I have lipsticks right here, eyeliners, you know, just basic stuff right here. All my concealers right here. Just a bunch of loose products here and here. And then right here are mostly my powder. So we have highlighters, we have bronzers, blushes, you know, all that kind of stuff. But I love the shape of this for this specific area right here because it fits these kind of products in here so nice. It was so hard finding like where to put these products at where I can easily like, you know, look through them where they aren't on top of each other. So I love how this is organized. And then over here we have my setting powders. So we have setting powders, we have some bronzers right here, you know, nothing too fancy. And then behind here I have palettes. They're mostly like bronzer palettes. So like bronzers and blush. We have Morphe, Luscious Cosmetics, Pure Cosmetics, Coastal Scents. Pretty much that is it. All right, so now we have this area over here, the Alex drawer I got at IKEA. I wanted this forever. And honestly, I love this drawer so much. It's not filled up because I have a lot of makeup, but I don't have enough to fill it up. So this is honestly my favorite part of this room. Ignore my neighbor's yards, but like this view, this mountain view is my absolute favorite. If you guys don't know, I live in Colorado, so I live by mountains all the time. So at sunset time, this is absolutely stunning, but honestly, it's stunning all the time. And at 4th of July, you can just see fireworks throughout the entire city. And honestly, I get to see them pretty much all year long. I just moved to this house, so I can't really say all year long, but people just throw them off pretty often, and I see them. We have a baseball field that way, and every Friday and like Saturday nights, it's kind of random, but they always do fireworks at night, and I can always see them. So enough rambling on about stuff you guys don't care about. Right here, we obviously have my wig right here. This is from Trendy Wigs, and I have a little headpiece. Over here, I have this little corset. This was for my Poison Ivy cosplay, along with this wig a couple years ago for Comic-Con. I'm gonna use this corset again this year, for my cosplay because it was really expensive. And then we have this wig right here, which I'm obsessed with wigs, but I don't have that many. But this wig right here is from Wish, and honestly, it's such good quality, and I got it for $4, guys, $4. So if you guys don't know, I'm actually a photographer. I'm not just a YouTuber or beauty influencer. I am a photographer as well. I like to do a lot of landscape and I do portraits, weddings, and you know, pretty much anything. So this is my beautiful baby right here. This is my favorite. We have some little Sketa Beauty Skull glitter highlighters right there. And then we have these lips right here, which are from Huda Beauty. It came with like a little lip kit, and I think I got it for Christmas, so I just kept it up there. Not really anything up here. I normally put my laptop right here. All right, so we're gonna open up these drawers now. So in the first drawer, it's just a bunch of palettes, bunch of random. I don't have them organized by types of palettes or anything like that. So you know, we have the original, we have some glow kits. We have, you know, some Wet n Wild creams, Naked Cosmetics, Makeup Revolution. This palette is my baby, Urban Decay Kristen Leanne, I love you. This palette right here, so I wanted this for years, not years, but like I wanted this forever. And you know, this is so beautiful. These are so amazing, and I was so cheap, and every time that I got the courage to buy it, it was always sold out at the stores because, you know, I'm too cheap to pay for shipping. So I finally got it. My mom got it for me for Christmas last year. And so yeah, basically just a bunch of palettes. And then basically the same thing for this drawer. I just have a bunch of palettes. We have Huda Beauty, Kat Von D. This is my favorite. Fuck, like this thing is so amazing. Pure Cosmetics, the Prism palette, Heart, Urban Decay, just a bunch of random stuff in here. And then we open up this drawer, which is a ton of lipstick. I told you guys, I'm obsessed with lipsticks. So basically we just have lipsticks in here that I don't reach for all the time, or they're either, you know, they're just in here. There's nothing like negative against these. They're just in here because I don't have room for them up there. So they're just in here. And then over here we have glitters. Most of my glitters are Sketa Beauty. They have like, she has my favorite glitters because look at them. They have a skull shape to them. They're just skull, and ignore my nails, guys, please. But they're so beautiful. I love these glitters so much. I just have a bunch of random ones in here. Behind here, these ones right here came from Wish. I'm a big Wish shopper because honestly, Wish like gives me such good things. So I have a bunch back there. And then this is the lash drawer. So this obviously is a bunch of messy stuff, but this is basically just stuff I don't reach for all the time, or, you know, I just don't have a place for it. These Pop Beauty highlighters are way too dark for me. I showed you guys the ones before that I love up there. They're way too dark for me, so I can't use them, but I haven't given them away because I've swatched them. So, I mean, if you guys wouldn't mind swatched highlighters in a giveaway, let me know, but like, I don't know, I don't want people getting mad about me doing them, so I don't really have a purpose for these yet. Maybe like eyeshadow or something. We have some brushes in here that I don't really use, foundations. Pretty much it's just junk. And then over here we have my lashes. As you guys know, I'm not really big into putting false lashes on, but I'm trying to get better at it. So mostly the lashes that I have are from Sketa Beauty. She has my favorite. I've used many, but these are just my favorite. They're easier to put on and they just are so beautiful. So I really recommend you guys checking her out because I absolutely love her lashes and they're pretty much all I use. I know you guys know. And these are some new e.l.f. ones that I picked up the other day at Target and I haven't used them yet, but they're beautiful. And so yeah, that is it for these drawers. These are empty right here. I don't have anything in them, but hopefully one day my collection will build. All right, so now on to the studio part. Nothing too fancy about my studio. I'm still really working on it, trying to get it perfect, get the lighting perfect. But if you guys can tell, right up here is a bar that I got on Amazon for like $20, and I just had my dad mount it to the wall up there. Just because before my studios, they went down like, and it was just really annoying. So I really didn't like how it kept up all the space just because you have so many stuff over here. So I just got a bar to hang on the wall. I'm not really sure where this paper backdrop is from, but I'm sure it's just from online somewhere. My mom got it for me. It's just a plain white backdrop, but it's a little bit harder and it's not as like easy to crumble. It's got a nice like texture and like, as you guys can tell. So I really like it. Over there is my softbox. This used to be a softbox, but my dumbass put the wrong light bulb in it. So it used to look like that, and then I put a heated light bulb in it. And I was cleaning my room one day and I looked behind me because I smelled smoke and there was flames because it caught on fire. So that is my softbox. I got these on Amazon for really, really cheap, along with some other things as a studio like kit. And these are great. And here's my dog being loud again, so just, you know, just ignore her beautiful face. So over here we have my ring light. I wanted a ring light for so long, and I've had this one for years. So this is honestly what helped me get into my beauty career. I'm gonna be so honest for you guys. I hated the lighting in my old house in Florida because it was absolutely like really dark in my house, and I could never get any good pictures besides literally standing in front of a window, and I just wanted to get that cool beauty guru circle ring in your eye when you had makeup. So this really helped me out. This was like, I used this originally, just this itself, when doing my first YouTube videos. So here are these lights right here. I got these in the mail yesterday and I just put them up today. And honestly, when I first got them, I was so pissed off because I was like, why are they so small? Like compared to my hand, guys. I was so mad because I paid $150 for both of them and I got them on Amazon and they didn't look that small in the pictures, but they're super bright and I really like them. I haven't really seen how I like it filming, you know, I haven't edited anything with I filmed today, so I don't really know how I like it yet, but I think it really helps enhance the brightness in my photos. And then on this table right here, this is my table. So as you guys know, I do a lot of item shots and this is where I do all of them. So all my marble item shots are taken on this table. And I got this either at TJ Maxx or Ross because they're pretty much the only places I ever shop at. For like $20. It folds up. It's kind of small, but it's really great. And it's perfect. It's not too big. And it just gives you that beautiful marble look. And then we have this, which came on Amazon. This mirror right here. I just use it to help see. And then I get tons of questions all the time what I film with. And I film with the Canon 60D. Over there, that is the Canon 5D Mark III, and then right here is the Canon 60D. So I film with this one still just because it has a pop-out screen, and I'm having really bad trouble getting this one to hook up to a computer because it's, I don't know, it's just not, like my computer is just not like letting me hook up to a larger screen, so I just still use this one. And I don't really film with this lens. I film with the lens that's on the other camera, but this is still a regular lens. And then we have this right here. This is honestly one of my most favorite things. So when I'm taking selfies and all my pictures, I just click this and it autofocuses for me and takes it without me having to like hold my finger on the camera and all that. And so before I film, I always autofocus with this. This helps me keep everything in focus. I used to have trouble really bad filming on this one. You know, seeing if it's on focus because I was looking at that really small screen, and then I got this because my mom got it for me and it's great. All right, so yeah, that is pretty much everything. Here is my studio setup, my little, you know, makeup holder, and then my vanity over here. Nothing too special, but I just thought this would be a fun little video for you guys. So yeah, that is everything for this video. I just thought this would be a fun little video for you guys to let you guys know like my beauty space, my life pretty much, because I'm always in this room, and my little setup. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.